had way too much fun searching online for all these harp-related gift ideas. Some of them are very similar to items that I've had for years and really enjoyed. Some of them are just things that I would love to receive, and there's a bonus one at the end that's a bit weird. The first one I've chosen is a leather tuning key case. And if you're anything like me, you're constantly losing your tuning key. I don't know, I have like 3 of them because I just leave it everywhere. And I have one that's kind of similar. And now I can keep my tuning key in this little case strapped to the back of my harp, and I always know where it is. Phew! Next is a harp-shaped cookie cutter. Now I really like this one I found, and it inspired me to try making cookies with my own harp-shaped cookie cutter last night that I got from my wedding registry. So Johnny and I made cookies, and honestly, I'm a little bit disappointed in how they came out because the harp doesn't have strings. So I'd prefer this one. Next is this. It's a harp desk, and I really love it because it's beautiful, wooden, carved, and it attaches to my harp and holds my music. It's just so convenient. One thing to note is it hasn't worked so well when I've tried it on a lap harp because it makes it very heavy at the front and the harp could fall forwards, but I love using it with floor harps. It's so beautiful. Next is a height adjustable musician's chair. Now the height of our chair is super important when we play the harp, and it's not ideal to have temporary solutions like a thick cushion or something. I've tried a lot of different types of chairs, but this one has got amazing reviews and it's definitely on my list. Is it weird that I'm pointing with my with my pinky finger? I don't know, it's the second time it's happened. Maybe this should be my new thing. I guess I gotta keep doing it now. Next is a sheet music tote bag, and I'm the kind of person who carries around a lot of sheet music when I take my harp somewhere, and I've really enjoyed using this tote bag, which I got in Austria when I was on choir tour, and it's really fun to put my sheet music in it because it has music on the outside. So that's why I chose this one, because it has sheet music and it also has cats. That got even more just like... This one comes with a bit of a confession. Harp wheels are amazing. I intended to make a video of me making harp wheels, but I haven't got around to it. So I still really love harp wheels. I used them a lot when I was at Somerset Harp Festival a few years ago. It's so fantastic. You just put your harp onto the harp wheels and you can move it around so easily. It makes transporting your harp an absolute breeze. You can get it either ready-made or as a kit. If you're gonna buy the kit, I recommend putting it together. Now we have sheet music shoes. 2 types. This one is a bit more fancy, and this one is a lot more casual. I'd like to know, which kind of harpist are you? Personally, I am a casual girl. I've spoken about harp lights before because they really help you to be able to see the strings even if the environment is a little bit dark. And the bonus is they make your harp look spunky. If you're learning to play the harp and you would like to get a gift that you know you're going to use, I would recommend getting a gift card, which you can use for our site learningtheharp.com to purchase either online courses or workshops. It's so great to get a useful gift. Okay, I found a whole variety of t-shirts and I think they're great. This one is my favorite because it has a cool cat. Now we get to the bonus gift, and this one is something you might not have seen before. I've heard about this for years, but I've never seen one in person. I really want one because how cool would it be to have a harp on the back of your door? This is a door harp, and when you close the door, it makes a harpy sound. So amazing and so beautiful. I really want one, except if you have a look at this video, you'll see that you still need to tune your door harp, otherwise it sounds like this. So, which gift would you most like to receive?